Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today, I would like to share with you the Zodiac dog in 2022. If you are born in the following period, your Zodiac is a dog, and you have so many beautiful things. We call it the Congenital Advantage, which is when the time you're born, you will have it. You don't need to do anything. It just comes with you naturally. So we call it the Congenital Advantage. And I list 6 of them for your reference. Okay, are you ready? Okay, the first one, which is the most important, which is we call the honest and loyal characteristic. We know that if your friends or your family member, one of them is like a dog, Zodiac dog, he will be so loyal, so honest to the family, to the friendship. So it's really, really good for you to be a good friend or keep a good relationship with Zodiac dog, because he will always support you, will back you up. So this is something important. Okay, the second one is that the friendly and humble characteristic. We know that the Zodiac dog is a really important to maintain a good friendship, and they treasure the friendship really, really much. So they will do whatever they can to maintain a good relationship, and they will perform like a really humble and friendly and welcome characteristic. So it's really good for you to make a friend with a Zodiac dog. And the number 3 is the personal charming. We know that Zodiac dog has a really good personal charming. It's easily to attract different people surrounding them. So this is something amazing too. Okay, the number 4 is the romantic characteristic. We know that the Zodiac dog they know how to enjoy the love. They know how to enjoy the romantic moment. So it's really good to maintain a relationship with your girlfriend, boyfriend, or even your wife and husband, because you have that good characteristic. Okay, the number 5 is for Zodiac dog is they know how to enjoy their like a lovely moment, and they love to do that. They don't mind to enjoy the important moment in their life. So this is really important. Okay, the number 6 is the peacefulness is so important, is in the bottom of the Zodiac dog's heart. So they don't want any unnecessary conflict, and they don't want any unnecessary argument. They want to perform like a maintaining like a peaceful situation. So this is something important. Okay, we mentioned those advantages. There's a 3 congenital disadvantages that I would like to share with you. Okay, the first one, which is for some Zodiac dog, they have some difficulty when they're dealing with some pressure. Let's say if you want to invest in a new business, or if you want to take a really challenging job, you need to think of it before you do that, because Zodiac dog, some of them have a difficulty to deal with such a great pressure. It's not really good for Zodiac dog. Okay, the second thing is for some of the Zodiac dog, they may be too optimistic, too enthusiastic, so they may overestimate the good situation, but you need to prepare for the bad thing. Okay, the number 3 is some of them is not patient enough. But we know that patience is so important in your success in your life. Okay, the next thing I would like to share with you is when you want to form a team, you need to find tiger and horse. They're really good in your business team. Tiger, horse, and dog, these 3 partners are good together, form a good triangle. Okay, the next thing is if you want to find a soulmate, a girlfriend, boyfriend, rabbit is the best among other Zodiac. And please stay away from dragon, goat, and ox. They're not really good in your team. And the good luck timing for Zodiac dog is every single day from 3 a.m. to 7 a.m. and 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And you need to stay away from those bad luck timing too. The bad luck timing is 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. So this is so important. If let's say you have something important to do, you have a surgery you want to success, you have a lawsuit you want to win, you have a big contract you want to sign, you have a really, really important appointment, please schedule them on those like a good luck timing. and stay away from those bad luck timing. It will help you a lot, okay? Okay, the next thing I want to share with you is the forecast for 2022. For the overall forecast, we know that 2021 is too much ups and downs, too much challenge for you. But 2022, everything will change. Your good time is coming. It's no more nightmare, no more like a bad luck, because the good luck timing is coming. So enjoy it. It's pretty good. Okay, the next thing is the financial forecast. It's not really bad, but it's not really, really good, okay? You need to be really careful because there's too much risk on the market right now. So you need to enhance your risk management, and sometimes you need to follow your heart to make the decision. Okay, the next thing is the career forecast. This year is a good year for you to make some change if you want to start a new business or change a new job. But please remember, some of the zodiac dot have a difficulty to deal with pressure. If there is too much for you, you need to think of it first, okay? And the next thing is for the love. The love energy for this year is pretty strong. So if you are still single, make use of this year, the good energy, find someone. Maybe your better half is just waiting for you. And it's time for you to expand your network too. And for the family forecast, some of your family members, they may need your help, especially if your family, you have some like a zodiac tiger and zodiac monkey and snake. They really, really need your help. And the next thing is the health forecast. This year, you'll have some like a digestion system, digestion issue, so take care of it, and then have a more like a healthy diet that will help you a lot. And thanks for watching, and I wish you good luck. Thank you. If you want to learn more about traditional feng shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current feng shui setting and yearly feng shui tips, I also have a book for you, free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.